here you have to know about some TCP and UDP ports. These all ports are useful in ethical hacking, okay, and it is a part of scanning, okay. The number of ports is 5535, okay. 65535 of ports. No, TCP and both ports, okay. TCP ports and UDP ports. Number of TCP port is 5535, okay. So here you know about some important ports, okay. Here is the some ports. To remember that what is the name of port number 20, port number 21, port number 80, port number 23, 25. I will send the link. You have to save this link, and that you can ever remember this. Okay. Here some important ports. Port number 20 name is FTP port. Port number 21 FTP, but it is a command port. Port number 22 denotes with SSL. 23 for that, 25 for SMTP. Okay. Port number 53 for DNS, domain name system. Okay. Port number 67 is known for DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. After that, port 80 is for HTTP. Okay, hypertext. Okay. Here it is using HTTPS. HTTPS is for, but if you are using HTTP, then the only 80. HTTPS is secure, but HTTP is secure, but HTTP is not secure. Okay. After that, you have to remember port number 111, RPC, port number 135, port number 137. Okay. And after that, you have to remember port number 443, port number 445. After that, you have to remember port number 33. Okay, I'm sending you. Okay. You have to see here 20, okay, 20, number 21, 22, 23, and you have to remember this 25. After that, 3306, 3389. After that, you have to remember 139, 53, 53. Next one is 53, 80, number 111, port number 443, 80, 111, 443. Three, 67. You have to save this in your notepad. Okay. After that, I am telling you IP classes. IP classes range. Here IP have 5 classes. Class A, class B, class class A, class C, class D, and class E. Okay. Here is the class A address range start from 1 to 126. Class B start from 128 to 190. Okay. Class C starts from 192 to 220. Starts from 224 to 239. and class E ranges start from 40 to 54. Okay. Here 127 is missing because 127 is reserved for loopback address. Loopback address, how can we find that? Here you have to type on if config. Okay, to check your IP. Yeah, here you can find that the IP address, and here is loopback address. Okay, here the loopback address is 127.0.0.1, and here is IP address. IP address is 192.68.43.86. Okay. Hello. Is there any problem? Okay. After that, you have to note that here class A, class B, and class C is useful for us, but class D and class E are reserved. Class D for multi-class group and class E reserved for research and development for future use. Okay. After fulfill the class A, fulfill the class B, after fulfill class C, then we will use class E. Okay. If you search your IP address, okay, if you want to search public IP address, you have to type what is my IP in Google. Okay. If you type what is my IP, then you can find this type. Okay. This is your public IP address, but it is IPv6. So, have you installed your Kali? Will you show me today? Okay, share your screen with me. Yeah, again share your screen. Yeah. Now open your Kali Linux. Yeah, this is your Kali Linux. Okay. So open your terminal.
Yes, sir.
But I couldn't see you. Where is your terminal? You have opened your two browser. Minimize first one.
No,
But I
no, no, sir.
but I am able to see your two screen of your browser. Here you have opened two browser. Okay, first minimize it. Minimize it.
Okay, sir.
No, minimize it. This is hanging or not?
No, sir.
But I'm sending you in your WhatsApp. Check this. Yeah, check this your WhatsApp. You have opened three. Yeah, so first of all you have to minimize first one, second one, third one, and you have opened five browser. No, but I can't able to see your screen. Here you are hanged. Yeah, yeah. Now good. Now good. Now share your screen. Sorry, now again open your, yeah, again open
Okay,
your,
okay.
yeah, terminal. Yeah.
Okay, okay. No, cool, okay.
No, after opening this, this is creating problem. Okay, no tension. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, stop sharing. I am sharing my screen now.
I open my as
Yeah, yeah, I have seen in your WhatsApp. Are you practicing on this or not?
well.
You have to practice on Nmap. You have to practice on Zenmap. You have to practice on footprinting. Okay.
Now we can do.
Okay. Now stop your sharing. I am sharing my screen. Able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, what is my IP will show you the public IP address. Okay. Here it is your public IP address, and it is always same in same network. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, we will. Now I will tell you about the Equinetics. It is a Windows tool,
Okay, sir.
because here I am not using my Windows, so I can't show you. I will tell you about that what is Equinetics. Okay. And how can you use this. Okay. Here through Kali Linux, if your Kali Linux is double booted, okay,
Okay, sir.
then you can access the file of Windows also. Okay.
Okay.
Here is the file of my Windows, and here is this one tool, Equinetics Web Vulnerability Scanner. Okay. And this, yeah, this is the exe file, and this is the key. Okay. After installing that, yeah, after installing that, you have to click on this, and after that you can get access of Equinetics. Okay. Simple installation. Okay. Now, yeah, now I will show you how you can use this. So go on scanning. Yeah, go on scanning. After that, here in a scanning you can find the vulnerabilities, so you have to use Equinetics. Yeah, here is the Equinetics scanner. Okay. Equinetics is a leading web vulnerability scanner. Okay, it is a web vulnerability scanner. It will scan vulnerabilities. Okay. Yeah. Here include the most advanced SQL injection, XXX back. XXX, it means cross-site scripting, SQL sub-query language. We will read this in next module. Okay. It automatically crawls your website and perform black box and gray box hacking. Okay. This tool is used for black box hacking and gray box hacking. Okay. And it, and this technique is find dangerous vulnerabilities. Okay. How can you use, yeah, how can you, after starting this, you can find this type of pages. Okay. After installation, you can find this type of pages. Then you have to click on new scan, and after click on new scan, they will ask you to submit a website, any website you can use. Yeah, you can use any website which you have to testing. Okay. Yeah, after that, after click on this, and after hit here next, after next, and after that it will start the scanning, and after the scanning it will show in your right side, the vulnerabilities. Okay. It will also show you the low level vulnerability, high level vulnerability, medium level vulnerability, critical level vulnerability. After that it will also create a report. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, when vulnerability is high, what can we do, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
When vulnerability is low, sir,
Yeah, yeah. Then we get now
what?
after getting vulnerabilities, we will get access. How to get access? We will read about in penetration testing. Okay.
Okay.
Because through a scanning, if you have scanned the vulnerabilities through Acunetics and you have reported this, then they will give you bounties or rewards. Okay. Yeah. So we will learn about that after scanning. When I install my Windows 7 in my virtual box, then I will show you this Acunetics. Okay.
Sir,
Because
I have to know, sir.
yeah, you have Windows
ZenLab is not working in my college.
and only hit Nmap, only Nmap.
ZenLab.
Yeah.
ZenLab is not in my application.
No. Zenmap, you have to search the Zenmap. Here you have to search this. So here Zenmap, ZEN. You have to search the applications. Okay.
Okay.
Nmap is working or not?
ZenLab is okay, sir.
Yeah. Then good, because we have to use only Nmap because Zenmap is only GUI version of Nmap. Okay. If it is creating problem, then you can also use Zenmap in Windows. Okay. You can also use Nmap in Windows, but here Nmap is pre-installed in Kali Linux. So if you want to use Zenmap, then you can use Zenmap in Windows. Okay.
Sir, for me, not ZenMap, sir. Only Nmap is there, sir.
Yeah. You have to search the applications of Zenmap.
I
Okay.
have searched, sir. Only.
In search applications, in search application you can find. Yeah, here is the application. Yeah, here is the application. You have to search all this. Okay.
Okay.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now
Sir, your desktop and my desktop is varying so much, sir.
okay. Send me the picture. Send me the picture in WhatsApp. Oh. Okay, maximize this. Maximize this. Only. Yeah.
What is the problem, sir?
No any problem. You have to only open this.
For me, I can book service cannot recovery the skills.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, tell me.
For me, it came when opening. Oops. Sorry. Something is wrong.
No. Sometimes it
Cannot
get problem.
recovery.
Sometimes it gets problem.
Okay.
Yeah. It is not a big issue.
I put control alt F4 and open Excel.
Okay. Can you see my screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now next module we have to read this. The next module is enumeration, but we will learn this in last classes. Okay.
Okay.
Here is the module which is system hacking. Before this I have to open my PDF. This one, open with Dolphin.
Sir, yesterday you talked about the harvester as well.
Yeah, the harvester, I have told you about that, na?
Yes, sir. The harvester is, it looks for searching, no, sir.
yeah, the harvester is useful to get informations of their employees. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
That's only, sir. For harvesting the particular website, how, what is the command, sir?
Only you have to use. Okay, I am sending you the command in chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you find the harvester? After history. Yeah. Can you find the harvester? Yeah. Here is the harvester. Okay.
Oh, the harvester minus here, sir. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Minus D.
That's only one down, sir. Okay, sir. That's here.
Okay. I am sending you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you get any problem, then you can also use help the hyphen.
Okay.
Yeah. The harvester hyphen B. Yeah. This one is the. Okay. There is the two command hyphen D. After hyphen D, you have to give a space. Okay.
Okay.
Now next one, I have to read this. The next one is system hacking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Before starting that, you have to read this system hacking PDF. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the system hacking PDF. And before starting this, you certainly know that if you want to change your password and sometimes more urgently, then you think but migrate against theft is a great way to stop in your account security. You can always head to check if you are at risk, but simply thinking your password is secure enough to be hacked into is a bad message to have. Okay, you have to know that first of all, if you are using your password in your system, okay, 123 or ABC or simple any simple password, then it is very easy to crack. Okay, then it is very simple to crack. So I am suggesting you to you have to use a very strong password of combination of letter, caps letter, number, and any special cases. Okay, yeah. Then if any hacker is stolen your SAM file or system file, okay, if any hacker stored your SAM file or system file, so they can't be able to open this, yeah, crack your password. Okay, there are many tools. No, they can't crack your password because you have used your strong password. It is a combination of 123 ABC caps lock at the rate. Okay, then they can't be able to open this. So to help you others, just now hackers get your password secure or otherwise, we have put together a list of the top 10 password cracking techniques used by hacker. Do you know that if you are using any password in your system, in your mobile, in your bank ATM, or in your Facebook or in your Gmail, you always use your date of birth, mobile number, or your name, or combination of mobile number or your name. Okay, and it is very easy, to crack this. Okay, hackers easily crack this type of passwords. Okay, so I am suggesting you to you have to use a strong password. Okay,
So when we are using strong password, we cannot crack that.
one second. Yeah, tell me again. Yeah, we can't be cracked, but it will take 10 years, 5 years times to crack this password. Okay, I will show you how to crack the password with SAM and system file using Can-Enable tool. Okay, here is the Can-Enable tool will also work from will also work in Windows, where you have to Can-Enable tool will also work in Windows, and you have to off your Defender security, okay, and firewall, okay. So I will show you about that. Can enable. And if you have forgotten your Linux password, but in 2020 this is not working, okay. Yeah, in 2020 you can't change your Linux password. And here we will use Black SAM database using Kali Lake. How can we use this? We use this through CNTPW, but CNTPW tool is not working on my laptop, so I will use your laptop. Okay. Okay. So how to copy the SAM file? How to copy the system file? I will tell you about it. Okay. Tell you about that. Okay. Okay. So first of all, read this PDF. Here is the net user command. Okay, here is the net user command. Why we use net user command? So we use net user command to find all the username in Windows. Okay, we find all username in Windows through net user command. After that, you can also change the password of any user. Okay, so first of all, you can also create backdoor. Okay, you can also create backdoor. How can you create backdoor? There is no file in Windows. Okay, there is file in the Windows. The first file is cmd.exe and the second file is text.exe. Okay, one file is this one and second one file is this one, cmd.exe. Okay, yeah, first file is sethek.exe and second file is cmd.exe, and we place sethek.exe into cmd.exe. Okay, and after that, yeah, after changing that, you can open your cmd, press 5 times anywhere. Okay, if your PC is logged, then you can also open you can also only press 5 times. Okay, press and you can open your cmd anywhere. Okay, okay, how can I use this? So first of all, I have to open my Windows. Okay, so I'm opening my Windows. Are you able to see my screen properly? No. Now can you see my screen properly? Okay, first of all, I have to re-sharing my screen. Okay, you have to see proper my screen, because when I open my Windows, then I can't able to share your screen again. Okay, is it good now? Hello. Okay, can you ever see my screen now? Here is my desktop. Can you see this? Okay, send me the picture. Hello. Yeah, what is the problem? Here you can see the screen, my screen. Hello. Here, what is the problem? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have shared my desktop.
Now,
Yeah, yeah. Now in your now you are on my screen. Okay. Okay. Now I am opening VirtualBox. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see this? Yeah. What is this is written here? Yeah. Good. 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 So I am opening my Windows 7. Yeah, I am opening Windows 7 and yeah, it is opening here. Yeah. Now it is good. Here Windows is starting. It is a copy of Windows, so this is creating this type of problem. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Can you see my screen now? Yeah. Here is the Windows 7, and I am opening with computer. Okay. Here is the computer. Okay. Here is the computer, and after opening this, I have to click on manage. Okay. Any problem? Yeah. Go and right click on this and click on manage. Yeah. Yeah, after that you have to go on local users and group. Okay, here go on users. Yeah, here two users, one is Deepak, second is guest, and third is administrator. Okay. Yeah, if you want to set password, then you click on here set password, and after that click proceed, and you can use only password 123. I'm using 123 simple password. Okay, and after that click on OK. Okay, the password has been set. Okay, any problem? Yeah, now I am locking this Windows. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, this is my username. Okay, this is my username, and now this device is logged, and if you want to open this, then you have to use password, which is 123. Okay. Yeah, is there any problem? Now if you want to change the password, then you have to only set password, after that only proceed, and it will always it will always take only new password.
New password,
Yeah, take a
not
new.
that old password.
Yeah, it will always take new and confirm password, not old password. Okay, so
Okay, great.
yeah, so there is a my computer management, and after that I'm closing this, and after that, yeah, closing this, and after that I am opening CMD. Okay, this one is CMD. Okay, and go on this and right click on there and run as administrator. Run as administrator. Yeah, you have to click on yes, and this is my run as administrator. And if you want to check the IP address, then you have to type ipcon. Yeah, ipconfig. Yeah, hit enter, then you can find my IP address, which is, yeah, here is the default gateway. Yeah, here is the IP address 43.44. Okay, is there any problem? Okay, yeah, here CLS is used for clear the all things. Okay, I am opening Google Chrome. Okay, if you press 5 times shift key, then there will be no any problem. Okay, if you will if you are pressing here 5 times shift key, then there is no any problem. So I am telling you about that. First of all, I have to open my Google Chrome. Yeah, this is the Google Chrome. It is working very slow. Okay, I have opened my Google Chrome. It is creating me problem. Hello. Yeah, here you have to type only create backdoor backdoor using CMD. Okay, here you have to type only this one, create backdoor using CMD. After that, hit enter, then this will give you the command. It is opening. Yeah, you have to open the first one link, and here, okay, here is the command. Where is my cursor? Yeah, here is the command. Okay, here you can also delete the, yeah, here you can also delete the backdoor. This one is the command, regdelete. This one is the command. And if you want to add the backdoor, first of all, it is opening. In VirtualBox it is very slow. Yeah, this one is the command. Okay. Okay, here I am copying this, Control C. Okay. Yeah, copy this, and after copying this I am closing this one. Yeah, close this one. Okay, close this one. And after that, when I am hitting here 5 times shift key, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, is there any problem? No, here it is. Do you want to turn on sticky keys? Here it says that if you want to on your sticky keys, then click on here, enter yes. Okay, I am hitting here yes. But after that, when you are performing 5 times shift key, 5 times shift key, then CMD is not opening. A 1 2 3 4 5, same message is creating. Okay, so what you have to do? So I have to open this. Sorry, this is the CMD, and I have to paste the command. I have pasted it, and here the operation is successfully completed. Okay, and after that close this, and after that, after hitting 5 times shift key, 1 2 3 4 5, what is it working or not? No, it will work, because it will work, not any tension, because here it is working very slow. If I will click 5 times only, if I will click 5 times shift key, then you had find a CMD. Okay, is there any problem?
Okay, sir. Okay.
I am closing this, and again pressing 5 times shift key. Yeah, again I have opened the CMD. Okay, so what is the profit? So after lock this, yeah, I have locked my windows. I have locked my windows, and after that I am hitting 5 times shift key, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, here you can open your CMD, and if you want to check the user, then click here net user command, and after hit enter, then you can find the name of user, which is administrator, Deepak, guest, etc. Okay, if you want to change the password of Deepak, then you can also change the password. If you want to add any user, then you can use this. Okay, so tomorrow we will read about that, how to change the password, how to create a user, how to delete a user. Okay, today I have read that how to create a backdoor. Okay, through CMD. And if you get any connection if you created a backdoor, and if you click 5 times shift key, then you can open your CMD. Okay, from anywhere. Okay, any problem? Yeah, is there any problem?
That was created in Can in Windows 7 sir.
Yeah, backdoor is created in Windows 7. You can also use in your main Windows. Okay, if you want to use this, then you can also use your main. Okay, this one is the command. This one is the command. No. No, this one is the command I am sending you. Only you have to type backdoor using CMD.
Okay, sir.
Okay, only you have to type backdoor using CMD, and you have to use add command. Okay, and first of all, before using this command, you have to open your CMD with a administrator. Okay, is there any problem now? Okay.